Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the day. This is probably my most requested video ever on Instagram and YouTube combined. It's probably every Slimer's most requested video. Slime Room, Slime House, Warehouse Tour. We are going to get right into it, but before that, make sure you follow me on Instagram at Obsidian. Subscribe if you like this kind of stuff, and give this video a like. Yeah, so let's begin. Alrighty, so to start off, this is the front door. I did voice over when I was filming it, but I didn't like it. It was kind of like a weird sound, so I thought I'd voice it over again so I can explain it better. Those are just some packages, extra bags that are for orders when we get those done. Then when you turn around, we have our main packaging area. So on the plastic tables, we package slimes for the week in the containers, stack them up in like the middle table, the middle one, and when like Monday comes after the restock, then we package up all the orders on the tables. Normally get all the orders packaged in one day, so pretty fast shipping. And those are like air jacket things that we put in like orders with boxes. We normally get them in like stuff I get for supplies, so I just reuse them because why waste more? Then these are all the slimes lined up for the restock. These are, I don't know how many slimes this was, maybe like 2,000 or something, but yeah, I like lining them up with all the colors and it's fun to see them. Okay, now let's go into the rooms. I'm gonna save that room for last because that's the most cool room, and I'm gonna save the best for last. There's a little table there. I don't know what we do with it. This is the little bathroom. That little painting that they just had there when I moved in. This is just a box room. The door, something was behind the door and it wasn't opening. A vacuum. So I just like put all the boxes in here. At my last place, it was like an open thing, so you would always see the boxes. But I like having this room so I can just like not see them when I'm making slime and packaging. So it just helps to have like a room to throw all the boxes in. Containers, mailers, packaging supplies, foam beads, random stuff, a bunch of different boxes, kind of where I just like put everything that like I don't know where it goes, so I just put it in here. Now coming out of that room, that's the kitchen. We'll go to that in a second. This is, what are we doing? Oh, Jacob, what did you? I'm just like looking at myself filming this and I'm like, what was I thinking? Anyway, this is where we make boxes for packaging. I have dye in here, other supplies that like I don't want to put in my slime room just because it takes up a lot of space, like clay, folded down boxes, different stuff like that. We just have a table to work on if we need it. Next, you guys know I love to spoil you with candy in orders. Normally the bigger order, the more candy you get. So that's extras for orders, and we just keep them in here. Now to the right of that we have the printer, the computer. Oh, I guess he wasn't done there. That's just clay I have in here because I don't feel like keeping it all in the other room. Then here we have the computer. I'll edit my website, print orders, just work on different stuff, order stuff. Yeah, so just work stuff here. Next up here I have foam beads. I just color coordinate them into different boxes just by like orange, you know. I don't care about the pastel, I just throw them all in the same box. And then I got those big ones that are like 250 grams, and they're so much more convenient than having them in a bunch of little bags. So yeah, I was proud of that when I found them. Next up we have the kitchen. That is the best cereal in the world. I got it at Walmart. Then we have my fridge. I love drinks and just like having iced coffee in my hand. I like a soda, so like I like a variety. So I have like Monster, ice, different coffee stuff, kombucha. So I just like having that when I work, so it's fun. Next up we have the kitchen area. This is my snack cupboard. I love having a bunch of different snacks. One's for salty stuff. This is the sweet side of the cupboard. I normally have more stuff than this, but this is what I had at the time. When you turn around, this is like the living area / where I film and work. I normally work on the couch and work on my computer. I film on like a white table from like IKEA or something, and normally just because I like the big window and all the natural light that it has. So I film over here. I have like that's like my old tripod when I used to use my phone. It was literally attached to a lamp. Because I don't know, I just like the angle it could get, and I would stack it up on books to like for big batches and stuff. Now, next for what you've all been waiting for, the slime making room. This is like the best part of the slime house. I love being in here. So you walk in, you have 3 mixers in the back wall, snow under that first table, I have 2 tables, and then a foam mat. So those are where I keep the batches. Those are like clear slimes and jellies and stuff that need to sit for a bit, so I make those like the previous week before. Then, because I'm extra on like the back wall of the table over there, I have like a diffuser with, I normally put like peppermint oil just because I like find the scent relaxing. Some random charms I just got in the mail. That was for Space Dolphin Icy, stuff like that. And then an Alexa, so I listen to music sometimes. But I normally wear a headphone just because other people are working too. I don't know. We don't all have the same music taste. Then next, I keep my glue on these like wire racks. So this is the one for clear glue. I just unpack it all and put them all up there, so it's like organized. And then I have those 2 gallons up there, which I've never used, but I'm excited to try them. They look pretty cool. Then to the right, I have that middle table where I like work on, and then I have different types of snow underneath. So for like jelly slimes, cloud slimes, and ices, I just have different ratios of water, so I keep them in different containers. Then the mixers, my dragons, they work so hard making slime, and I just love them so much. Then we have the school glue rack and the glue all rack, and some clear slime that's clearing up, ultraviolet. I'll move it out of the way so that it's not in the shot. Next, I have my scent rack. So these are where I keep all my fragrance oils. I kind of organize them by company just because that's how like my brain like categorizes the scent, so I know where to find it. I love fragrance oils so much. They're so much fun to like try new ones and mix them. I just don't know. I love how many there are and like how many different types, and I just like keep them. I just love seeing them. Then we have this closet, which was super huge, which I'm super lucky for. I was able to keep like so many supplies in here. I have Daiso up there, different types of colors kind of organized by. Then below I have glitter, more glitter. I love glitter. I love having so much, so I organize them. I love those cubes just because of how they look and like stacking them up like that. Next, the food coloring. I just have neon dyes. I have everything. Then clay that I get from different shops. That's Kwai Slime Company, great clay. Here, these are just a bunch of big bags of Fimo slices. I love adding them to slime. They just like take it to another level. I just find them so cute. Here, I just have a bunch of bins of glitter. I just like so many different types of glitter. There's so many shapes that I just like to get like a variety so that I have them, and it always gives me inspiration for new slimes. So yeah, those are like little gummy bears. I just like the blue and purple shift kind of color. Next, this is just other Fimos. I just have like kind of everything sprawled out in this room. Pigment, yeah, just a bunch of different stuff. A bunch of glitter in those bags, like fine holographic glitter, then like foam chunks on the bottom, and then fishbowl beads on the left. You can kind of see at the bottom there. So yeah, I just get a bunch of different stuff. I love like coming in here and just like grabbing random stuff and then like thinking of a slime. Normally, like a lot of my ideas just come like when I'm about to make a slime. Some of them obviously like I think of before, but I also think of a lot like when I just go in the room and I'm like, oh, I have an idea now. So yeah, that is essentially my slime house, where I work and where you get your slimes from. It's been so nice having like a bigger space. I used to be outside of like a garage, and it was so cramped. It would like give me so much anxiety just because it was so small and like boxes were everywhere. This has been like so helpful in making me like enjoy making slime so much more, and it's been really fun. So thanks for watching. Make sure to check out my Instagram, Obsidian, and I'll see you in the next video.